Welcome back to my channel, you guys. As you guys can see, we have the Light Elegance Spice collection. This is the 2020 fall collection. I have the glitter gels and the color gels, as you guys can see here. I'm so super excited to share this all with you guys. First impressions of me just looking at the collection on the website, I was like, listen, I don't need all these colors, but I'm so happy that I bought the collection in its entirety. My glitter gel package was a little damaged, as you guys can see there, but it wasn't damaged, like none of the gels or anything was damaged, so I'm completely fine with that. It's just the packaging. If you guys are not used to Light Elegance, it comes with the gels and the instructions on how to apply it. It tells you the gel names on the back and the collection, and you also get the swatch sticks with the labels on them. So we are going to start with the glitter gels. We normally don't start with the glitter gels, but the first color I have is Paprika. And you guys, listen, let me tell you something about this whole collection. First of all, I love fall colors. Like, look at that color. It's not like anything that I have currently in my collection, and I'm just so glad that I just told myself to, like, listen, buy the whole collection. If you don't want a color out of there, you can do a giveaway or do something like that. But these colors were so different and nothing like I've seen in a Light Elegance collection. So I'm so super excited that I actually got like basically 12 colors or 12 new colors that I didn't have in my collection. So I'm pretty freaking excited about that. Like, this collection was definitely a win, and it was a fall collection. I'm so here for it. But this Paprika color is so pretty. I compared it to Fire Breather, as you guys can see there. They're not really comparable, but it's the only thing in my collection that I had to compare. And the next color I have is Feisty and Spicy. And you guys, listen, this blue is absolutely stunning. It's not a true blue, but it's not like a soft blue, like a blue that you would apply in the springtime, but it can definitely get you through every season. Like, you could definitely wear this in the summer, you can definitely wear this in the winter. It is one of those blues that is just absolutely gorgeous, and I don't know about anybody else, but I absolutely love blue gels. Like, oh, they just do something to my soul. And this one is kind of like that frosty blue, because I compared it to Brilliant Blue, as you guys can see, which is, in my humble opinion, a true blue glitter gel. But Feisty and Spicy, it definitely has that oh my gosh, like, we were definitely missing that in the Light Elegance collection for sure. Definitely a winner, you guys. And the next color I have is Jive and Ginger. You guys, oh my goodness, this color was so freaking pretty. I'm telling you, I had nothing like this in my collection. Like, look at how beautiful that is. Like, oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful color. It has kind of like a dark base to it. Not really super dark, but like basically like a watered down black, like a really milky, well, not milky, but a really see-through translucent black kind of gel underneath. And then it has that pop of, like, I don't know what color that is, like, but it's so pretty. Like, look at that color. It is so gorgeous. Like, I can't even describe it to you guys. So there's that. So I compared it to Salmon, because that's the only thing that I had to compare. And I felt like if Salmon had that dark undertone, like that dark base that I was telling you guys about, then they would almost be the same kind of color gel, if that makes sense. As you guys can see, like, one has a darker base and one didn't. And the next color I have is Shake Your Salt Shaker. And guys, this one surprised me. I was like, okay, it looked nothing like the lid, but it's so pretty. It definitely reminded me of that, like that pink salt that you guys can buy. I'm pretty sure I have some in my cabinet right now, but it's gorgeous. It's basically really beautiful. And also, I felt like I didn't really have anything to compare it in my collection as well too. And that is what I really like about this whole collection, is that I didn't really have anything to compare to it. So that's always a plus in my book. So look how beautiful that is. Look at the sparkle. Like, I just can't. So I compared it to Sweet Nothing, which is not even comparable. As you guys can see, Sweet Nothing definitely has that those multi glitters in them. And Shake Your Salt Shaker is just like a glitter. It doesn't have all those multi-colors in them. And the next color we have is Poppy Seed. You guys, listen. Yes, look how beautiful that is. Out of focus, in focus, it doesn't matter. It is so freaking pretty. I definitely don't have a glitter gel like this currently in my collection. It has purples. It got like a hint of like violet in there, and some like very hint of like fuchsia colors. It's so dimensional. Like oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful, you guys. Look how it swatches. Yeah, look at it. Oh my gosh, that sparkle is doing something to my soul. Like, it's so pretty, you guys. So pretty. So I compared it to Madame Mim, and it doesn't really compare because that one is a color gel and this one is a glitter gel, but it has those same kind of fuchsia flakes in them. And this color, you guys, Smokin' Hot Pepper. It is so freaking stunning. Like, look at all the hollow that you guys can see through my struggles of me trying to open this gel. That was a struggle, but nevertheless, this color is so freaking stunning, you guys. Like, it's out of this world. I would definitely get it. If you guys don't get any other colors in this collection, I would definitely recommend this one. Like, this one, you guys are not going to go, you're not going to go wrong with having this in your collection. It's perfect for Halloween. It is perfect for New Year's, and it's just perfect for the summertime. It'll be so pretty on your toes. Like, listen, you can't do any wrong with this color. Like, it is absolutely stunning, you guys. And I'm so grateful that Light Elegance made it and that I have it in my collection. Like, this is definitely one of those staple colors that I feel like will stand out and your clients will definitely gravitate towards it. Like, it just goes with every color. Like, look at that sparkle, you guys. Look at the hollowness. I freaking love it. I can't. Get it, guys. Definitely get it. So now we're going to move on to the color gels. As you guys can see here, we are going to get these out of here, and I'm just showing you guys that it doesn't matter if you guys buy the glitter gels or if you guys buy the color gels, it still all comes with the same thing. So you'll get the instructions on how to apply them on your nails, and then on the back side of it, it shows you all the colors in the collection and the collection that you bought, and there's the swatch sticks and the labels, as you guys can see, if you buy the collection in its entirety. So if you buy all 6 colors. So the first one is ICLOVE, which is such a cute name. I just like Elegance, and their names and their gel colors and their collections that they come out with is just absolutely amazing. They have one of the best marketing teams. Like, they come up with so much in 1 year that it's absolutely unbelievable. But it's so awesome for people like me that's just a big fan and actually love their products and love what they put out, and they have cute little names that you can actually remember. So it's, yeah, they do a phenomenal job in my humble opinion. I don't get paid from Light Elegance either, or they don't send me free stuff, by the way. I buy all this. So I just thought to put that in there. But this ICLOVE is so beautiful, you guys. Look at it. I feel like it would be a perfect nude color for people that has the same skin tone as myself. And I compared it to Do the Mocha Polka, which is a very absolutely another stunning color. And yeah, they're just two beautiful chocolate colors. They're not like milk chocolate, but they're chocolate colors. And the next one is Holy Habanero. Like, look at these names. I just love it. But this color, it surprised me because I was like, listen, I don't need another red in my collection. I just don't. I'm sorry. I don't need another red, Light Elegance. Please don't. But with the name like Holy Habanero, I was like, oh man, it's going to be a red color. But it's not. I mean, if it's red, it definitely has a lot of pink undertones. Like, this is definitely leaning more so on the pink side to me than red side, because the red gels that I do have currently in my collection, it did not compare to it at all. So I was like, awesome. It's not a red to me. It's definitely a pink in my humble opinion. If you are a red fan, then I feel like you would definitely love this color. And if you're a pink fan, I feel like you would love this color too. So I compared it to Rose to the Occasion. And as you guys can see, very comparable. I think that this is the only gel in my collection, or in this new collection, that I actually had a color that was very comparable. And that one was the only one. So the next gel color I have is Crayon. Isn't that so cute? Like, oh my gosh, I just can't. Which is a beautiful, beautiful burnt orange color. Like this color, listen you guys, like look at it. It is so, like, that just screams fall in a jar. Like, that is fall to me. So, so, so beautiful. Like, they nailed that color. It's so perfect. Definitely perfect for fall, as you guys can tell. And I feel like it's perfect for winter too, like, or all year round. It doesn't matter. I'm the type of person that I will wear whatever color I feel like wearing. It doesn't matter the type or the season. But it's definitely a fall color. Like if you're trying to do fall designs and do cute little leaf designs, like this would be your color, girl. And this cinnamon sticks, you guys, listen. This color is so freaking beautiful. And I don't think I had anything to compare to. Like neither did I had anything to compare to Curry On. I just don't have anything in my collection to compare it to, and I'm pretty freaking excited about that. But cinnamon sticks, you guys, look at how beautiful this color is. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I love Light Elegance pearl finishes. Like they nail that stuff. Like they nail it. That is so freaking pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, you can just wear a set with cinnamon sticks on your nails and just, girl, you'll be all set for the winter, for the fall, for the summer. It doesn't matter. It's so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, what a beautiful color. I definitely recommend this one too. As you guys know, I love Light Elegance and I love their pearl finishes. Like like I said, I want every color of Light Elegance, every color that they ever made in their pearl finish. And the next one I have is Well Seasoned, which I love. I think this blue would pair so nicely with Curry On. Those two in a set would be absolutely beautiful. Look at that blue, you guys. Like, it's not really like a true blue, but it's not really like a navy blue. It's somewhere in the middle, like a happy medium. Like it's not super bright, but it's not super dark, and it's just beautiful. Like it is perfect. Absolutely perfect. And it's something that we have not seen from Light Elegance like we just haven't seen anything from Light Elegance in this shade of blue. Like it's just absolutely perfect. So I think I compared it to Plus One. If you guys had that one, that was part of their fall collection back in like 2018, I believe. Don't quote me, but I think it's back in 2018. And yeah, it's, as you can see, like Plus One is a more dull, kind of leaning towards the navy blue, and Well Seasoned is definitely kind of keeps that bright aspect of it. So it can definitely be a summer color, but it can be a winter color, and it can be a fall color. Like all seasons, you guys, these are staples. So the next one we have is Simmer Down, which is what I need to do. I need to simmer down after I saw all these colors, guys. So this one is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I think it's perfect, and it's perfect for those nude lovers. Like this one reminds me of those nude colors. So as soon as I saw it, I was like, ooh, does this one compare to Rosy Posy? I don't know, but we're going to find out here. So I was like, ooh, this one would pair so nicely with Rosy Posy. That color, I mean, Rosy Posy, Simmer Down, and Salmon in a set together, you guys, listen. That would be so pretty. Like I just want somebody to make a set for me because I see the vision there, I see the potential, but I just can't. I don't know if I can execute it the way I want to. So I'm gonna play around with that a little bit. But Simmer Down is so beautiful, you guys. Definitely perfect for all year round, in my humble opinion. Here is it compared to Rosy Posy. As you guys can see, to me, it's not comparable at all. But I think that they would pair nicely together in a set. They would be absolutely phenomenal together. So let me know if you guys actually have this collection. Did you guys pick it up? Did you guys pick up some of the colors? Which colors are you guys loving? Which colors are your clients loving? Do you guys actually have clients? Do you guys work on clients, or do you guys just work on yourself? Do you buy these collections for yourself? I kind of want to know what you guys actually buy or what you guys didn't buy. what are you guys planning on buying and all that jazz. Which color was your favorite? Because I'm got to tell you guys right now, cinnamon sticks was my favorite, and smoking hot peppers, like hands down. You guys need those too. Definitely buy those. Like those are absolutely phenomenal. I would recommend it all. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.